Welcome! This video will show you how to use Peerceptiv in D2L Brightspace. After your institution has configured Peerceptiv for Brightspace, you can add it to your assignments, making access single sign-on and seamless for you and your students. To get started, go to your Brightspace course. It's important that you and your students always access Peerceptiv through Brightspace, and that you do not log in via our website. Click Content and navigate to the module where you want to add your first assignment. Then, please select Existing Activities and then External Learning Tool. At this point, you should always click Create New LTI Link at the bottom of the list of previously existing links. You must create a new LTI link each time you create a new assignment in order for Grade Passback to work correctly. Enter the title of the assignment and this URL. Then click Create and Insert. For full functionality, you need to open Peerceptiv in a new tab. The best way to do this is to click on the small down arrow after the assignment title. Then select Edit Properties in Place. Check the box for Open as External Resource. This will always open the assignment in a new tab and improve usability for you and your students. If you choose to add a due date, we recommend choosing the same date as your submission deadline. However, you should either leave the end date blank or make sure it is well after the feedback deadline and after results have been released. In general, we do not recommend placing restrictions on Peerceptiv assignments in Brightspace, as they can inhibit functionality. Click Update and then refresh the page. Now, click on the newly created assignment link. The first time you create an assignment in a Brightspace course, you will need to create a new course in Peerceptiv. Fill in the course name, your discipline, and institution. Make sure that the year, semester, and time zone are correct. You can add a label to identify different sections or add other identifying information. We generally recommend keeping sync mode for our standard experience with set assignment deadlines and accuracy-based grading. Async mode is less commonly used and offers a self-paced experience with threshold grading. Please contact Peerceptiv support or access our knowledge base for more information if you think you may be interested in async mode. Click Create. After creating the new course, we recommend closing the Peerceptiv tab and going back to Brightspace. You will need to set up grading for the assignment. Click on Activity Details and then Add a Grade item. Click on the plus sign. Enter the assignment name and put the assignment into a category if desired. Scroll down to assign a points value. After the assignment is complete, Peerceptiv will send a percentage grade back to Brightspace, and it will be automatically converted to the equivalent point value. When you're done, click Create, and then remember to save all the assessment changes. Now, click to open the assignment in a new window. If everything is set up correctly, you should launch to the assignment creation screen. The easiest way to create an assignment is to choose a standard workflow that corresponds to the type of assignment you want to run. Enter your assignment name and description, set the deadlines for each phase, and click Finish. Now, whenever you click your assignment link in Brightspace, you should always launch to the Peerceptiv assignment dashboard you see here. The first time you correctly launch to a newly created Peerceptiv course, your Brightspace roster will be automatically imported into Peerceptiv, and you can view this from the roster button in the top navy bar or on the Progress tab. Lastly, make sure your assignment will be ready for your students by editing the settings and adding a rubric. Thank you for watching this video. Please refer to our knowledge base help articles to learn how to edit your assignment settings or how to build a rubric for your assignment. If you have questions about Peerceptiv, please email support@peerceptiv.com.